Kenya's sugar imports for the first 11 months of this year more than doubled to about 40,000 tons, indicating the country's continued reliance on imports from neighbouring countries, even as local sugar factories continue to struggle. The country's total sugar imports in November stood at 39,700, a 107% increase from the 19,100 tons imported in the same period last year. Lillian Kiari reports.
As Kenyans prepared for the end-of-year festivities, traders were forced to stock more of the sweetener, leading to imports from the neighboring countries increasing exponentially. Uganda took monopoly of being the only East African country supplying Kenya with sugar by exporting 6,269 tons. Countries in the COMESA Free Trade Area supplied Kenya with 19,234 tons, while countries from COMESA Non-Free Trade Area supplied Kenya with 3,050 tons, and other countries across the world chipped in with 11,199 tons. In the last 11 months, sugar production has increased by 38% compared to the same period last year. Kenya produced 450,335 metric tons compared to 327,211 metric tons achieved in the same period last year. Retail prices of sugar this year have been fluctuating. At the beginning of the year, sugar retailed at an average of 107 shillings per kilogram, declining to 101 shillings per kilogram in May, and then rising to 152 shillings per kilogram in August, 124 shillings in October, and 120 shillings in November. Low cane production, poor management, and high cost of producing the commodity are some of the issues that have plagued the sugar sector. Muhoroni, Mumias, and Nzoia Sugar Company have been recording lower sugar production, while Kwale International Sugar Company remained closed last month. Lillian Kiari, NTV Business.